Hi, I'm Duncan van der Velde. I'm the Vice President of Sales, Cessna Aviation Europe. I'm here today with Ward Bonduel, Managing Director of Luxe Aviation Belgium. So Ward, how has the last year been since the most recent delivery of the CJ4?
Since the last delivery, it was a very productive year for us. Every time that a new aircraft is added, of course, this creates an enthusiasm amongst our charter clients because they are happy to fly a new aircraft, and also the owners of the aircraft, they are also happy to see their own jet arriving and being able to use it. So SkyClub for us took a new boost because when we started integrating Citation CJ4 Gen2 in our fleet, for us it was a perfect match to reply to the needs of our clients. It has the range, the performance, and the capacity of the passengers on board, and it also can be operated at a good operational cost. So that's really the perfect mix of all the aspects that people are looking for, especially when they want to fly within Europe. Today we have 3 Citation CJ4 Gen2s operating within the SkyClub program, and we are working on integrating more of those into our fleet. And the success of SkyClub in Belgium makes that we also believe that it can be expanded in Europe. And that's why we will be launching it as well in France, in the UK, Germany, Luxembourg, or neighboring countries.
The support network. At Cessna Aviation we have quite some service centers across Europe. How is the network helping you and the program?
For us it's very grateful to work with the service centers because being centrally localized in Europe and having several service centers around us, we have one in Düsseldorf, we have one in France, they are always close by. So for us, the support is close by, so it really has an added value, not only in the service and the support, but also when it comes to the spare part availability. With the warehouse being in Düsseldorf, it helps us because we can then easily get parts from that warehouse onto wherever we are in Europe.
And the CJ4, again, that is a successful program.
Absolutely.
Are you considering adding other models to the program?
We are considering, first of all, to bring the CJ4 to other regions in Europe as well. So we are looking to the neighboring countries. We are also looking at the M2 Gen2, and for the clients who would want a larger cabin, we will launch the Latitude.
Why decided to work with Cessna Aviation?
Like recently, together with Cessna Aviation, we managed to get our LAMOL approval again for the CJ4 Gen2. Our relationship with Cessna Aviation doesn't go back in years, it goes back in decades. So it's a long-standing relationship. There always has been a good evolution when it comes to the launch of new aircraft types, and this keeps our clients interested in the product.